I'm Rodney Dow, and I'm the author of the SAT essay formula that gets high scores. And you can see my book here. And I'm here to review uh, Adam Piacante's book, the SAT Unlocked. Now, the thing is, Adam let me see a copy of this book back in February, and I told him I would review it as soon as I could, but I didn't get a chance to until now. It's already April now. But when I did, I was actually pretty impressed with what I saw. And the reason is because it's actually going to make the SAT easier in about three different ways. One is Adam breaks down each question type so you understand how to tackle them. And this is really important because when you're on the test, one of the worst things that can happen is to be completely and totally surprised. And that will make you nervous and keep you from performing well. You will not be surprised when you get to the test if you read Adam's book and do the exercises. Two, he gives you step-by-step techniques that allow you to find the right answers quickly. And this is extremely important, the whole emphasis on speed. If you don't have a step-by-step process and you do find the right answers, but the bell is rung, time's up, it doesn't matter. So you're going to lose points just because you didn't do it fast enough. And you won't do it fast enough if you do not have a repeatable, simple step-by-step process. And Adam gives you those in his book. And the third thing that his book does that's really great is that it helps you to verify the techniques work before you take the test. Now, this is actually unbelievable because most study guides out there, you have to trust that the questions that they've come up with are similar to the test questions. And you don't really know if they're the same difficulty or if they're easier. But Adam has this really unique idea. He says, hey, why don't we just use the official study guide for practice? Since the test publisher publishes this guide and says this is exactly what the test is like, why don't we use those test questions for our practice? And that's exactly what he does. So why is that so important? Because they're the only ones who really know what the test questions are, especially for this new SAT test, which has only been out for the last few years. And since they're the only ones that can give you accurate test questions, they're the only questions you really should be looking at this point. So when you practice what you learn from SAT Unlocked, you'll know you're getting better on real test questions. As a result, I highly recommend Adam Piacante's book, SAT Unlocked. You can find out more at www.satunlocked.com. Again, that's www.satunlocked.com.